Welcome to another video. In this one I show you how you can use Google in dark mode. And it's on this screen here. This is the default homepage of Chrome. I will go to google.com. Google.com. I'm here now, and the default setting is this bright option. The theme is light as usual, but sometimes because it's a new thing now, you might not see this, but if you get this like a gear sign here, then you can change the setting. You make any search, and once you make a search in Google, then you have the option you have this setting gear here. It's a nice gear. Look what happens. This is magical now. Watch this. I click the gear and it's not there. It's not showing me. Oh no. Well, I did it earlier on my other computer, but yeah, search settings. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it in Firefox. Once I make a search here, I see the gear again and I click it. Yes, I have it here. I have the option. So watch this happening now. You see, it's not always showing because they're testing it. So in some of your sessions, you might have it. In some of your sessions, you might not have it. So if you're lucky, you will click the gear here, and then you have this setting here, dark theme off. Click it and watch this. Everything changes. Even the picture here. The picture here was different. Watch. Yeah, you see the picture even that they suggest for when I search for Europe, even that changes. It's like a GPS now, where it's changing to dark theme, dark mode. Yeah, this is I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I noticed a trend now within websites. Everything gives you the option to have dark mode, and if it detects that your system, your phone or your computer has the dark theme enabled, it will switch automatically. This is perfect. I'm waiting for the day when I just go to any website and all the websites, they synchronize the theme light or dark, whatever preference you have, to your phone or your computer. So more or less, there's not much disturbance. Not exactly the same, because you don't want them to be exactly the same, but the general theme, it's nice to have a light theme or a dark theme available just in case. So this is how you use Google in dark theme. You can try it in a few sessions, multiple browsers, multiple computers. You'll get it. When I close this, I go to Chrome. Before I had it in Chrome, so it's not something like you get it in Firefox or in. I thought it was only a Chrome thing, but it's just a random. It's how they test the features. Google. So google.com. Search for my favorite keyword. Oh, still not there. So at some point I might get it in this one also. I hope this is helpful. Let me know in the comments section below if you have the dark theme, the dark mode on Google. Yeah, see this option for Firefox. Save theme. Yeah, nice. Okay. I hope this is helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you prefer the dark theme in Google search. I really like it. I like it a lot. I have everything I can switch to dark mode. I switch it because it's much easier on the eyes for me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video with everyone you know. And write a comment, press the like, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Yeah. Now this is some Firefox thing. Well, no. So let's go to Microsoft account security. Well, no dark theme here, is it? There's a pink yellow theme.